To make a call, touch the phone key on the launch bar, then select one of the following options. Call history, to call a recently used number. Phone book, to call an entry in the phone book. Favorites, to make a call from your saved favorites. Or keypad, to input a phone number manually. To accept an incoming call, press this button on the steering wheel, or touch this icon. To reject an incoming call, touch this icon. If a call is placed to the phone while another call is active, a notification will appear on the screen. Touch Answer to place the current call on hold and accept the incoming call. Touch Decline to reject the incoming call. When two calls are active, touch Switch Call to switch between the two calls. While a call is in progress, you can touch the Use Handset key to switch the phone call to the handset for privacy. Touch the Mute key to mute or unmute the microphone. Touch Keypad to enter digits for services such as voicemail. Or touch Hold to place the call on hold. To end a call, touch the Hang Up key or press this button on the steering wheel. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.